After almost 4 years of anticipation and multiple delays, the much-awaited yellow line of the Namma Metro from RV Road to Bommasandra will finally be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, the corridor, which spans around 18 kilometers, is expected to transform commuting in the city's tech corridor, particularly benefiting lakhs of employees working in the electronic city and even helping decongest traffic at the infamous Silk Board Junction. But before the event, the political battle over credit for the project has heated up, with the Congress and the BJP taking jibes at one another over credits for the yellow line. Well, my colleague Deepak brings us more on this.
A lot has been spoken about, the infamous traffic of Bengaluru. This, of course, will be a great, bonus for people, especially traveling towards the tech corridor, isn't it?
See, I am not here with Congress leader. I am here with 4 or 5 legislators.
Yes.
They all are MLAs and former mayor. All of them are here.
Yes.
This line was very overdue. Since we could not get the clearance from the technical team, we had to delay it.
Yes.
Though there was a lot of pressure. We have not received the sufficient railway bogies due to some technical problem which has been from Itanagar.
Yeah.
So only 3 trains have come as on today.
Correct.
10th Honorable Prime Minister has given a time to inaugurate this.
Yeah.
So I am just doing the recce here. We are not inaugurating, we are just doing a recce for the arrangements here.
Yeah.
Number 1. One more bogie is expected on 10th and it will take about some 2 weeks to be ready.
Yeah.
So after that we will do it. This is one of the longest route which we are doing. This has been more or less done for the IT sector.
Yeah.
IT sector and the on the Vasur road to the electronic city and upwards.
Yeah.
So we thought that this is on priority.
Yeah.
I think this will be very useful. After we get the trains, we will have more frequency. Now the frequency will be 20 minutes to 25 minutes. That is what we have decided as per the technical norms and availability of the trains.
So at NDTV, we have also started a campaign for the citizens of Bengaluru called Our City, Our Fight, because there are issues pertaining to, condition of roads not being so great. You have promised for, as an image of Grand Bengaluru, everything will be improved.
I am telling you, I have also visited Delhi. Except the main road, all the gullies, even where I stay in Delhi also I have seen. Bangalore roads are better. It is a traffic, it is a concreted roads. White tapping has been done. We are taking a very big hit. Now I am appealing to the Prime Minister also. When I come also, I will appeal him to him. They have to help. This is a city, they should look Bangalore city as a national capital. Because the more finances is going from the city to the country on taxes, we should help. That is why I have taken up various development on metro, roads, flyover, double-decker and the tunnel. This major work I have taken. I am not looking at the political mileage. I am looking at the future of this country and Bangalore.
So last question, the feeder buses from the metro stations is something that has been a big concern in other metro stations as well. Will there be an attempt from the government to improve this?
Of course, it is our bound duty to add more feeder buses. And one more thing I would like to, I am advising my metro people, in the future wherever they acquire, wherever the stations are there, they would have at least 5, 6, 7 acres of land so that we create more the parking facilities.
Yeah.
Then we can have a commercial exploitation also.
Yeah.
Earlier they used to, due to the cost price, they used to see that they were not looking at those because parking is also very much important. Some of them come and they will park their vehicle in the stations where the stations are there. Even we are looking at that.
Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to NDTV. Well, that was the Deputy Chief Minister along with several legislators, like he said, doing a recce of this yellow line, a very important line. Like he said, a lot of people from the IT sector in particular will be benefited from this particular project.